Hey there, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to see a very great video in which you'll know how to use the internet without any data charges. I mean, you don't have to buy any data. You only have to be with 0 MBs and then it just works out for you. So we're going to go to an app. Actually, it's a VPN. But you can use it. Actually, after downloading it, you have to download it with data and then you connect it with data, but that's the only time you'll ever use data on this app. And then after some time, like through days, weeks, you'll be using no data at all, but you'll be surfing the internet like everywhere, social media, everything, YouTube, anything that you want, you can be using it. So we're going to go to Play Store and then we're going to look for this app. Actually, I'm using this app. As you can see, it's kind of fast, so it's like just normal data. So the app is called Wireturn. So this is the app. I'll leave the link in the description if you want to download the app right away. So as you can see, I already downloaded it, but you can download it. It's not a big app. You can download it. So I'm going to tap on open. So this is how it is. As you can see, mine is connected right now, but it's so easy to connect. I mean, after all, yours will be without that. This will be like something like that when you go to it, and then you can go through the servers. I mean, there are quite a number of servers. You can go through any server you want. I'm currently using this server, USA 3, but you can use any server. I mean, there's some which work, there's some which don't work, there's some which are already overloaded. But if you really don't want to suffer with servers, you can go to here, any optimize, tap on that, and then you can just tap on connect. So as you can see, it can take up to 15 seconds to connect. With this one, it can take quite a while because it can be looking for the best server which can work for you, or any free server that is around, but it could later connect. As you can see, it has connected to a server. So, and you can add time. I mean, okay, it really works on time. So they give you the minutes whereby you'll be using the data freely, and you can keep adding time, but I really advise you to add, like, okay, the first time you connect, it's 15 minutes. So if the connection is really good, you can just add time immediately, and then if it doesn't work and says that you'll do it after some minutes, you can do it after some minutes. But then if you get that, because if you add time, they give you 1 hour. So that's 1 hour. Like, I would suggest you use it in between, like 30, like after 30 minutes or after 20 minutes, you add time, you keep adding time like that. You can keep it for a day. I mean, when you're just adding time, and it's just so working, and you just forget about anything called data. So this is how it works. So after you tap on add time, it brings all this stuff, and then you can tap on watch video. So you can either share this, but as I've told you, like after 20 minutes it can show up. As you can see, it's not showing. Try after some minutes, but like after 20 minutes you can come back, and then the moment you tap on add time, watch video, it just loads to that video after you using it for quite some time. So that's how you can do it. And you can first, actually, you can close it, and then you could go back to it and try to see if you could add time immediately. As you can see, it's not yet, but you can try after some minutes. It really works out really good. But there's some really nice servers which really work out. all these USA servers work, Canada servers work really well, but the one I'm really using, like, it gives no problem. I mean, you can be with it like for a whole day without any interruptions. You just keep adding time. So it's this USA 3, so it really connects super fast, and it really works so fast. I mean, as you can see on my top, that shows the speed of the data, top right corner. As you can see, it really goes up to some really nice KBs, and you can really use it for YouTube, you know, watching live. I mean, you don't have to worry of downloading videos, you don't have to worry on network connections. I mean, if you're really in a good place with some real good network, you can just connect it so perfectly, and then you just be watching like videos non-stop. It just doesn't disturb at all. So this is a very good app, and really no stress. I mean, it doesn't need any settings, any what. I mean, just open it up and then connect. But the first connection, you really have to have data, and then if it accepts, then you can use it without data. I mean, zero data, like 0 MBs, and then it just works so perfectly. So that's how you can do it. So really, the reward ad is not feeling. I only want to show you how it can work out. So that's how you really get free data. Use the internet, no problems, no what, no stress. You can use it. Let me take some few minutes, and then I'll come back and show you how the rewards be like.
You wanted to feel the power of Cricket 5G. I thought you meant like live streaming. Oh.
So this is like the advert. So you watch a short advert like that. Sometimes it's 30 seconds, sometimes 10, sometimes 15, sometimes 5. And then after that, you can close it. As you can see, it gives you 1 more hour. So you can keep doing that after some minutes, after some time, and then you keep adding time like that until you really get tired of it. So that's how you can really use the internet without any data charges. I'm going to drop the link to this app in the video if you want to check it out. And also I want to thank you guys for watching till the end of this video, and don't forget to like, comment for more amazing videos, subscribe. I'll see you in the next videos. Bye bye.